The nightingale couldn't find a red rose. It flew to the last rose tree in the garden.
Give me a red rose and I will sing for you,
it said.
I'm sorry, Nightingale. My roses are red, but winter was very cold, and now I don't have any.
The nightingale was very sad.
I only want one red rose. Help me, please.
The rose tree said,
I know how to get a red rose, but it is a very sad way.
Tell me,
said the nightingale.
You must sing a beautiful song. You must press yourself onto one of my thorns. You must sing all night. Your blood will make one red rose grow.